Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of OPPO A58 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by OPPO. Here you can see the big 58. So now quickly open it up and start the unboxing. So here in top we get this small box, and you can see OPPO. If we see inside it, we get the SIM ejector pin and some reading manuals over there. And this is the transparent back case you get in the box. Okay. And guys, here's the phone itself. You can see OPPO A58. Here are some highlighted features: full HD plus sunlight display, 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charge, 50 megapixel AI camera, and dual stereo speakers. And it is in glowing black color. The dazzling green color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type A to Type C cable. And guys, this is the 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charger you get in the box. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Remove its plastic cover. So here's the phone in my hand, OPPO A58 smartphone. You can see, if we talk about the weight, it is 192 gram, and the thickness of this smartphone is 7.9 mm. And if we talk about the build, it has glass front, plastic frame, and plastic back. So you can see the design. You can see glowing silk design. You get the glowing silk design. You can see stylish smooth design you get in the phone. It has stylishly slim phone. You can see luxurious silk satin texture. You can see it has luxurious silk satin texture. OPPO glow design. And if we talk about its physical overview, top we get nothing, but it has a stereo speaker over there. It has dual stereo speaker. And on this side we get the volume put down key, and this is the power on off key with side mounted fingerprint sensor. And here we get the second speaker grill, USB Type C port, main microphone, and this is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the SIM tray. So quickly eject it. So it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on back it has a dual rear camera setup, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture main camera and 2 megapixel mono camera over there. And here we get the LED flash, and here you can see innovative AI camera, and here's the branding of OPPO. And on front it has 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera, and it has 6.72 inches full HD plus IPS LCD display. And guys, the good thing is it has IPX4 water resistant protection. You can splash it into water. So now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO A58 smartphone. If we slide from bottom we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top we get the notification center, helpful quick settings, and brightness setting is also available there. It has 680 nits peak brightness, and if we talk about the screen to body ratio, it is 86.6%. As you can see guys, the display is looking really good, and UI is also working really smooth. You can see the UI is running really smooth. And if we talk about the processor, it has MediaTek Helio G85 12nm octa-core processor. And if we talk about the battery, it has 5000 mAh battery which supports 33-watt fast charging, 0 to 52% charge in just 30 minutes, 32 hours call time, and 16 hours video playback time. So now check out its dual stereo speaker performance. It has ultra volume mode up to 300%. So quickly check this out. So guys, as you can see, the dual stereo speaker performance is really good. And if we talk about the software, it is run on ColorOS 3.1 based on Android 13. And if we talk about the internal storage, it has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. And now after it, if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with this smartphone. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and it unlock the phone. I put finger and it unlock the phone. I put and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, you can see it is really fast and responsive. And if you talk about the face unlock performance, I look and it unlocks the device. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocks the device. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlocks the device. So both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint, both are fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A58 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.